Hello everyone. So, topic is on prehook and posthook and how to insert metadata by using the prehook and posthook. So firstly we will see types of hooks in DBT. Prehook and posthook. On run start and on run end. So I am wishing to explain prehook and posthook. Prehook in DBT is a script or macro that runs before a specific DBT operation. Purpose of prehooks are typically used to perform tasks such as data validations, setting up temporary tables, or executing preparatory SQL scripts. Example scenario is before running a model, you might want to validate the data quality of the source tables or create temporary staging tables for complex transformations. Posthook. A posthook in DBT is a script or macro that runs after a specific DBT operation completes. Purpose of posthooks are useful for tasks like logging model execution status, updating metadata, or triggering downstream processes based on successful completion of DBT operations. Example scenario: after a model is successfully materialized, you might want to log its status to a tracking table or notify stakeholders via email. Prehook. The prehook is executed before the main SQL statement, model, runs. In your example, the prehook does the following. Insert metadata. Purpose: to log the start of the model execution process. Action: inserts a new record into the metadata log table with initial values indicating the model name, current status, active, row count, 0 initially, and timestamps, start and end date set to the current date/time. Type: sets the execution type to full. Posthook. The posthook is executed after the main SQL statement, model, runs. In your example, the posthook does the following. Update metadata. Purpose: to log the completion of the model execution process and update relevant information. Action: updates the record in the metadata log table that was inserted by the prehook. Status: changes the status from active to done. Row count: updates the row count with the number of rows in the custom table. End date: updates the end date to the current date/time. Conditional update: ensures that the correct record is updated by matching the model name and using the maximum JOBID and start date to find the most recent entry for the model. Metadata table and sequence. You have set up a metadata table metadata log and a sequence my_sequence to generate unique job IDs. Sequence. Purpose: to provide a unique identifier, JOBID, for each job execution. Action: automatically increments the JOBID each time a new record is inserted into the metadata log table. Metadata table, metadata log. Columns. JOBID, unique identifier for each job, generated by the sequence. Model name, name of the model being executed. Status, current status of the job, example active, done. Row count, number of rows processed by the model. Start date, timestamp when the job started. End date, timestamp when the job ended. Type of execution, example full. Workflow summary. Before model execution, the prehook inserts a new record into metadata log to log the start of the execution. Initial status is set to active, and start/end dates are set to the current timestamp. Model execution. The main SQL query runs, creating or transforming the custom table. After model execution, the post hook updates the previously inserted metadata record to indicate completion. Status is updated to done, row count is updated with the count of rows in the custom table, and the end date is updated to the current timestamp. By using prehooks and posthooks, you can effectively track and log metadata for each execution of your DBT models, which helps in monitoring and auditing the data pipeline processes. Now you will see how this metadata inserted.